In this video, we're going to show you how to install the ignition coil, boot, spring, and seal on your Jeep Patriot, located at the base of your coils. With the hood open, grab your engine cover, gently lift straight up, dislodging the retainers, and set that aside. Now we're going to be accessing the top portion of the engine here, and we have a whole bunch of debris. If you have debris there, go ahead and use a vacuum or some sort of device to clear this off. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses if you are using compressed air like we are. Along the top of the valve cover here, you're going to have 4 ignition coils, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they all have a harness attached to them. Now you can see the little red clips here. Those are locking clips. You can use a pocket screwdriver. Sometimes you can use your finger to slide those down, but a pocket screwdriver works just as good. Just slide that back and then push down on the little tab right here, and then pull that harness off, just like so. Now we're going to use a T30 Torx bit to go ahead, loosen and remove that screw. Save that screw. Go ahead and grab that coil. You're just going to gently twist it and pull upward. I'm going to take your ignition coil and pull the boot off. If you can't pull that off by hand, simply use your pocket screwdriver. You want to get between that rubber and just tear that right off. Now inside, right here, is a coil spring. You can see right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take our coil spring, and this is the side that goes onto the spark plug. This is going to be the side that attaches to the coil itself. So take the coil, and you want to insert that into that boot. Just like that. Take that, line it up, and push that on. On the top here, we have the gasket. Slide that off. Go ahead and install the new one. So the open cup faces down. Slide that up and over. Once you have that gasket fully seated all the way around, you just work on the back side of the flathead screwdriver, not the point, and work that around. Once you have the gasket on, we'll go ahead and drop this down on top of the spark plug. Drop the coil down inside. Give it a little twist, pushing it down. Let's go ahead and tighten that down. Once that bottom's out, just snug it just a little bit more. It doesn't have to be super tight, but just enough to make that secure. Take your harness, line that up, push it on. You're going to feel in here it click. Once you do, go ahead and press that red lock tab over. Now, if that red lock tab does not want to move, that means that your connector is not fully seated. Make sure that it's on, and then that red lock tab will pop on over. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other 3. When installing the engine cover, make sure that these rubber grommets line up with the metal studs on top of the engine. What will also help you is lining up the oil fill cap and the oil dipstick. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.